Today, I'll share with you the top 5 free AI tools
that can empower you to create these amazing AI avatar videos.
Many of them allow you to create content in multiple languages without you needing to speak a single word of them. We're going to explore what each one offers.
Make sure you stick around until the very end, because the 5th tool on our list is my personal favorite. And trust me, it's a real game changer for creators looking for something special. Now, before we jump into the tools themselves, let's have a real quick chat. Why even bother with AI avatars? If you dream of launching that awesome YouTube channel, sharing your valuable expertise online, or maybe promoting your business with compelling video content. But hold on, the thought of stepping in front of the camera, dealing with lighting, and all that jazz just isn't your cup of tea? And the idea of long filming and editing sessions feels overwhelming? You absolutely can create professional-looking, super engaging videos without ever showing your face. Let's dive in. Number 5, CapCut. Now, you probably know CapCut as an absolute powerhouse when it comes to mobile and desktop video editing. Recently, there have been huge upgrades in CapCut thanks to AI. And trust me, you're going to love it. I'm using CapCut Pro so you can see the full strength of what CapCut can really do. Let's go ahead. Here in the AI Asset Hub, you'll find a massive library of AI voices. You can explore different voice types, languages, genders, and even pacing. Now, let's move to the magic tools. There are some amazing features here. A free AI avatar maker, script-to-video generator, script creation tool, and more. So, without any distractions, let's dive straight into avatar and AI video creation. In Instant AI Video, first choose your aspect ratio. Then, click on Generate Script. Enter your prompt, select a voice from the available options, whichever you prefer.
To creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
And hit Generate. On the right, you'll see a live visualization of the video. You can add captions, After Effects, and much more to the generated video. Now, let's head over to the Avatar tool. Also known as Pipette.
to edit it.
You can pick any avatar you like and make it say anything you want.
Something amazing together. Welcome to Pipette.
Hello, I'm your avatar. You can choose your favorite avatar on your right and click on the script in the video to edit it.
The best part? They look so real.
Hello, I'm your avatar. You can choose your favorite avatar on your right and click on the script in the video to edit it.
You can also customize the captions from a wide range of styling options.
Hello, I'm your avatar. You can choose your favorite avatar on your right. Hello, I'm your avatar.
Coming in at number 4, HeyGen.
Where AI-powered storytelling transforms your ideas into reality. Whether you're a creator, founder, team, or a household name, our technology makes video creation effortless. See that box to the right? Those are just a few of the languages I can speak. Click on one and watch as my lips sync perfectly to match. Welcome. 欢迎来到 HeyGen， 在这里 AI 技术让您的创意轻松变为现实。Bienvenido al mundo de HeyGen. Willkommen bei HeyGen. Wir verwandeln dein...
This platform has really made a name for itself, mainly because of its incredibly realistic-looking AI avatars. We're already logged in, and this is the interface of HeyGen. If you're aiming for that polished, almost human-like presenter style, HeyGen is built for it. It turns your written scripts into high-quality talking head videos seamlessly. Let's explore. You'll start by browsing their avatar library.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
They've got over 100 options, although the completely free plan comes with a smaller selection. Once you've found an avatar that fits your vibe, just input your script, pick a voice from the available options, and click Generate the platform. Works its magic.
Hey everyone, it's me, an AI avatar, who looks more than real, so better subscribe now. Hey everyone, it's me, an AI avatar who looks more than real, so better subscribe now, before it's too late, because time flies.
Animating the avatar and syncing the lip movements with impressive precision speaks exactly what we've written. Need changes? No problem. You can tweak the script anytime. Once satisfied, hit export. Name your file, select the resolution, set the FPS, and boom, you're good to go.
Hey everyone, it's me, an AI avatar who looks more than real, so better subscribe now.
At number 3, we have Synthesia.io.
Hi, I'm Sundar. By day, I'm a product manager at Synthesia. But by night, I'm a superhero. With selfie avatars, you can put your avatar in any outfit or scenario. To get started, we need at least 5 photos of yourself. The more the better.
Synthesia is one of the most well-known and trusted platforms in the AI video generation space. I've made a detailed video on Synthesia already, so if you want a deep dive, definitely check that out. Now, let's move on to the next one. Sliding into number 2 is vidBoard.ai.
Meet vidBoard.ai, your AI video creation assistant. Create avatar-led videos, 99% lip sync accuracy for lifelike results, 100+ ready-to-use templates, no need to start from scratch, AI voiceovers and stock footage. No actors, no costly shoots, edit in seconds. No learning curve, no hassle. Custom AI avatars. Feature your own lifelike digital presenter. Perfect for marketers, educators, businesses, and content creators. Say goodbye to complex editing, let AI do the work for you.
This tool is all about streamlining the creation of AI presenter videos, and it shines when you're working with templates. It's clearly built for marketers, educators, and content creators who want to produce videos quickly and efficiently. Let's walk through the process. First up, design. Choose a template that fits your needs. Next, go to the Design tab for editing work, like changing backgrounds and setting the layout. Then comes Craft. This is where you add After Effects, animations, and visual elements. Finally, combine everything and hit the preview button to see the magic in action. Pretty interesting, right?
Script about potential of using AI in video creation workflow. Be cool.
vidBoard currently runs on a one-time payment model. Buy it once and use it forever. It's still a new tool, actively being developed. As you can. See, even Google login support is coming soon.
Thanks for joining us.
Cool stuff.
Where your
Let's move ahead to number 1.
And
finally, the tool I've been most excited to share with you is Humva.ai. What makes Humva.ai truly stand out, and why it's my personal favorite on this list, is its clear focus on empowering micro YouTubers and independent creators, along with its super cool custom avatar feature. Here's how it works. With Humva, you can start by picking a pre-designed template avatar.
Lights, camera, action. Step into a world where every frame tells a story. From cinematic magic to polished perfection.
Once your avatar is set, you can fully customize its appearance, select a voice, and even adjust the tone and emotion to match your script's sentiment. Then, add your script.
Life's too short for ordinary. Let's curate a lifestyle that feels uniquely you.
Feel stronger, move better, live healthier. It's not just a workout, it's a...
Move better.
Lights, camera, action. Step into a world where every frame tells a story. From cinematic magic to polished perfection, our studio transforms your vision into a masterpiece.
Since this platform is built for social media content, keeping it short and snappy, under 60 seconds, is ideal for engagement. Once your script is in, just choose the voice you want from the available voiceover option.
Let's make this awesome together, whatever.
Let's make this awesome together.
Let's make this awesome together.
Hello, I am an AI avatar. Subscribe now for more such cute information. Hello, I am an AI avatar. Subscribe now for more such cute information.
Then hit export, and boom, you've got an amazing video ready in seconds. So, we're all set. With these 5 fantastic options, which free AI avatar tool should you start with? Well, that really depends on your specific needs. If you want something completely free and you're already familiar with CapCut, its integrated AI characters are a no-brainer for quick and easy clips. If you're curious about testing the pinnacle of hyperrealism, even just for a 1-minute experiment, HeyGen is absolutely worth checking out. If you're after highly professional demos with support for multiple languages and avatar styles, and you don't mind the free plan limits, Synthesia.io is a solid place to start. Prefer working with templates and want built-in stock media to speed up your workflow? Then vidBoard.ai is an excellent option. And finally, if you're like me and love the idea of creating a truly unique, personalized avatar from just a photo, especially for YouTube or social media, then Humva.ai is definitely the one to explore. If this video helped you explore the exciting world of AI avatars and gave you some valuable insights, please do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button. It genuinely makes a big difference to the channel. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for more tips, tricks, and reviews on using AI to supercharge your content creation. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.